Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-delete ng Facebook account gamit ang cellphone. So wala nang patumpik-tumpik guys, umpisahan na natin. So punta lang tayo sa Facebook. Make sure lang guys na yung account na nakalagin ay yun yung account na i-delete mo. So ito yung account na i-delete natin guys. So punta lang tayo dito sa itaas guys. Dito sa bandang kanan, dito sa may tatlong guhit. Ayan, tapos scroll nyo lang yan pababa. Punta kayo sa settings and privacy. Then click nyo yung privacy shortcuts. Ayan. Scroll nyo lang din yan papaba guys. So dito sa baba, makikita nyo delete your account and information. So click nyo lang po yan. So dito may nakalagay deactivate account. So nakalagay dito guys, deactivating your account can be temporary. Your profile will be disabled. Your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. So, pwede nyo siyang i-deactivate account guys. Pero dahil ang gagawin natin ngayon ay delete account. So, dito tayo sa delete account. So, ang nakalagay naman dito, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. Your Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So, click natin to guys, yung delete account. And then, continue to account deletion. Click natin itong sa baba. Tapos, dito guys, before you delete your account, nakalagay, pwede mo siyang i-deactivate account muna kung ayaw mo muna siyang i-delete. Pwede mo ding i-download yung mga nakalagay sa account mo, katulad ng mga photos. Tapos, click lang natin dito guys yung delete account. So, enter nyo lang po yung password nyo dito guys. Ayan, enter lang po natin. Okay. Tapos, click nyo lang po yung continue. Ayan. Nakalagay confirm deletion. So, confirm permanent account deletion. You're about to permanently delete your account. If you're ready to delete, click delete account. Once you submit your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So, click lang natin tong delete account guys. So, nakalagay dito guys, your account is scheduled for deletion on March 10, 2020. Kasi meron kang 30 days guys para i-activate mo na, baka magbagong isip nyo. So, nakalagay dito guys, to keep your account deletion scheduled in 30 days, you can simply log out. So, log out lang natin siya dito guys. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kadali guys, mag-delete ng Facebook account. So, wait nyo lang po hanggang 30 days para permanently ma-delete na po yung Facebook account nyo. So, kung bago ka nga pala sa channel na to, don't forget to subscribe at paki-push na din ng notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video katulad nito. So, don't forget to like and share and comment down below kung anong gusto nyong mga video na ibablog natin sa susunod nating mga videos. At ito ulit po pala si Mercedes Vills. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!